Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. So today's video, I'm going to be doing this bun for you guys. I did it last week. I did it like out of like I didn't really have like I didn't even plan it out. I just did it and it turned out super cute, and I'm like, I need to share it with you guys. So yeah, so this is what we're gonna be doing. So I just washed my hair. My hair is still pretty much damp. I just washed it. This is how it's looking right now. I know I need to color it. It's been a minute now and I need to color them, but whatever. But yeah, guys, so what I did, I went in and just not really retwist, I just twisted the front of my hair just so it can look a little presentable, because the front was looking really what's the word, frizzy. And this style, I'm gonna try it two-way. It's like a two-in-one style that I'm gonna be showing you guys. So just watch. It's very easy, it's quick, and yeah, well, for the most part. So what you're gonna need is, of course, hairpins, and you're going to need scrunchies. All right, so I have my big scrunchie. I'm gonna use this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a low ponytail. So I'm just going to just pull these. Basically, you're just gonna pull all your hair to the back and just do the ponytail. So it's pretty much good right now. It's not too tight, it's not tight at all. Like, it's really loose, it's not tight at all. So after this, what you're gonna do is, what I did is because I was going to the gym and I'm like, I want to remember my hair off my shoulder and all that stuff. So I took the scrunchie, and then all I did was literally pull this up, just like this, just like that. And then I just took my scrunchie. I think I used this one. This one is a little bit more stretchable. All you do is just put the scrunchie right there, and then now you see how I have like all this fly away and stuff. I'm just going to like tuck them in. And I feel like this look is very easy. Like, if you're on the go, if you're like, see, like, you guys, I don't even think I need to use any pins, because everything just is good. Well, actually, these ones I might need to use pins. So I feel like this style is really simple, elegant. If you're like going to work and you're like on the go and you work like in a professional setting and you just want to look very presentable and, you know, put together, like, this style is super quick and super easy, and it looks so chic. I love it. So I left some hair out so that I can work with my baby hairs. So
you know, say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do to plenty so far, baby.
all right, y'all, so I'm all done. I just put it in I just tied it up for a little bit. I did my edges and I just tied it up a little bit. And y'all, like you can't tell me, like, yeah, this is given professional, this is giving, you know, a businesswoman, like, and it was so simple, like 5 minutes top, like, okay, like, this is given. Like, I love this hairstyle. It's so easy, it's very low maintenance, it's very cute. It's like, you know, you can wear this on a date night, if you go into a meeting, I don't know, you can wear this basically anywhere, and it's just so nice and chic. Okay, all right, y'all, so let me see, let me know what you guys think about this style, because I love it. It's super cute, super cute. All right, so the next hairstyle I would do with it is basically, like, if, for example, if you just don't want your hair out, all you gotta do is basically, I would not use this scarf specifically because it's like see-through, it's not thick. I love like the thick materials. When I'm doing like these kind of hairstyles, I like them to have like, I like to use like thicker material. But if you don't have like a thick material scarf like this one, this will do too. Basically, all you do is just basically you take the here, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing behind your ears. Make sure you have this whole part covered, and then basically to just do this and just roll it. I hope you guys saw what I was doing. But yeah, so this is the other way that you can do it if you don't want your hair to show. So if you, for example, the next day you don't want your hair to show and you kind of want to just, you know, wrap it up, and or your hair starting to look fuzzy, you just want to just put a scarf on, you can just do this. It's really quick too. You can just put it over, do your edges, put this on, and then you're good to go. Like, you guys, this is a very nice 2-in-1 style that I will definitely do if I'm like on the go. Oops, this part is showing, but it's okay. You can just tuck this part in. But yeah, guys, so this is it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like these styles, if you guys would try them if you're on the go. So yeah, and with the first look, you can always like bedazzle it by putting like some jewelries in it to like make it look more, you know, nicer. For example, if you're going to like a nice event or something. I don't really like to wear jewelry too much of my locks, but if that's your thing, then go ahead and do that. But hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like these videos. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if you do like it. Yeah guys, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.